Hello everyone! Want your wireframes to have the clean, minimal look of a Notion workspace? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that with MockFlow MIDA in less than 2 minutes. Start by opening Ask MIDA, then head over to Skills. Browse the available design styles. Choose Notion Workspace Style and click Apply. Now describe what you'd like to build. For this example, let's create a modern job portal dashboard with a sidebar, KPI cards, an analytics chart, a candidate profile, recommended jobs, and a featured companies section. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. In just a few moments, MIDA creates a polished wireframe that follows the clean and organized aesthetic of Notion. Every section is editable, the charts can be customized, and you can tweak the layout however you like. The best part is that you're not limited to one design language. Simply switch to another design skill and generate an entirely different look using the same prompt. Try a few styles, compare the results, and see which one best fits your next product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick MockFlow workflows.